Hello everyone, this is Carlos the student, and today I'll be showing you my regular dividends portfolio. I would like to show it every weekly to show what's my progress, even though even around this year we're having a bad year in the financial crisis everywhere around the world, and there's still ways to make money by just buying dividend stocks. Now, today I'll be talking about a new stock that I'll be willing to buy, and I'll be uh, dollar averaging this dividend stock. So what my strategy is like, how can I make $1 on one of these stocks? So by if I had to spend like $100 or $150 just to make $1 stock, I'm willing to do that. But you gotta keep consistently. That's the key goal of dividend stocks. So purpose of this channel is to show how I generate cash flow. So the company I picked is Johnson and Johnson, ticker symbol J&J. Now, this is not a regular dividend company. This is a dividend king stock. A dividend king stock is when a company been paying their dividends every year and at the same time increasing it for the last 50 years. Now, Johnson been paying their dividends for the last 50 plus years, and it's been a strong company. And even with this global crisis that's happening this year, they still are able to pay their shareholders an increase on their dividends. So it's a good thing to look eye on that, especially if you guys are new and new dividend investors. This is a good stock to buy, a good pick. Now, even though right now there's companies are cutting their dividends or suspend their dividends, this is actually a good time to invest because this will narrow down your areas of, oh, okay, this company's still paying while this company's not paying dividends. So it's a good time to invest. I'm not gonna lie. So Johnson dividend yield is a 2.89%, and their dividends is $1.01, which is pretty fair as a market right now. I can't argue. Can't It's a fair price right now, and their starting price is $139.67, which is okay price. Especially if it's a dividend king. It's a security of they're gonna pay you for sure. Now we scroll down the bottom, it gives you a little brief summary of how they deal with their business models. So they have multiple ranges, but the most common one you guys see at Walmart or other big stores is used in baby care, oral care, skin care, and over the counter pharmaceuticals and women's health and wound care market. And then that's in the pharmaceutical side, they have like, I can't pronounce these words, but more like infectious diseases, neuroscience, and other cardiovascular and metabolic diseases. Now, um, Johnson, it's a global company, even though it's they say it's not technically a, they don't mention it, but it's a global company, so it's around the world. So they're located in research such as Belgium, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Israel, Japan, and the Netherlands, Singapore, and Switzerland, and in the United Kingdom. So it's a global company. They're around the world, so there's not, so they they uh they diversify pretty well. Oh my god, I'm not speaking well today. I'm nervous, I guess. So yeah, so right now I'm gonna go click on their website, and what I like about Johnson & Johnson is that they show proof. Well, if you go to any official website when it comes to you know companies, go into the investor section, and then what I do is I usually, how do I do this? Go to investors and then look at stock information. and then I go to Dividend History, and it shows their yearly dividend increase. For example, 2019 was a total of $3.74. You decided to pay one share, and it's all of a sudden in 2020 it went from 90 cents to 95 cents, and now it went to $1.01 within a year and a half, because they're still paying their dividends. The year's not over. Now, if I scroll all the way to the bottom, they've been paying their dividends for a long time. So if you just buy it and just hold it, you probably make a good chunk of money just doing nothing. So yeah, there's more history to it, but I guess I don't want to download the history, but a quick brief. So they first started as a point 0.000, pretty much 9 cents, not even 9 cents. Well, yeah, kind of no, like 1 cent, maybe rounded off. So now it started at 1 cent, 10 cents, and then all of a sudden it all started in 0.009, so about 1 cent in 1972, and now it increased over the years. I think it's 47 years. Just by holding that stock, it went to $1.96. So that just shows you the proof in the stock, just how strong is the balance sheet and stuff like that. And I really enjoy this company, and that's why I decided to buy this stock. So if you guys consider buying this stock, I really advise it. So I decided to buy one share of Johnson & Johnson for this week. And just to recall about dividend investing, I'll be investing every week. So I would like to show how I invest my dividend stocks every week. So technically, I didn't put money in on this stock. Technically, other companies would pay me dividends from this month, and I use that money to pay to buy Johnson & Johnson. Now I made $1.01 richer for the next quarter I get paid on dividends. So, and I'll show you how on my monthly dividend calendar how much money I'll be investing. So that's a good thing about this channel. So most likely every week I'll be buying dividend stocks ranging from $50 to $100, or maybe $200, or maybe if the price is right, maybe $4,000. So a quick highlight on the investing world about a 20-year-old person decided to end his life due to a negative $330,000 Robinhood balance. Now I've been reading up on the news outlet, and what I understand is the family claims it was like some sort of a delay Robinhood update that needed to be updated on his accounts, and some say he was a option trader / day trader. So who knows? Robinhood doesn't want to release any statements or anything that involves with the person right now. But I would like to hear some updates on that story. So I wanted to give you some updates along the way. So I feel like this is an interesting story. Now, when it comes to day trading and option trading, that's not my type of investing. I prefer dividends because they pay you, and even though day trading does give you money due to growth, you buy low and sell high. That's the situation, and option trade as well. It's really sad to see that, and now I would like to continue with that story. So, and I like to share that story myself. So I'll keep you guys updated. For disclaimer situations, I am not a professional financial advisor. I'm just a student trying to learn in investing in a monthly basis, and how I invest in dividends, and like to show my journey here on YouTube, and how I can help or not help people invest in dividends. And for disclosure, I recently purchased Johnson & Johnson. So feel free to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and have a good day.